A truck was moving fast on the highway at night. The road was dark, lit only by headlights. In the right lane, traffic was heavy. Some vehicles had even come to a stop, but the truck's lane was clear. The driver continued at high speed. Everything seemed normal, but suddenly, from the right lane, a car made a quick move. It turned left without warning, straight into the truck's lane. The truck driver saw it, but it was too late. There was no time to brake. Within seconds, boom! The truck slammed into the car. The impact was violent. The car was pushed aside instantly. But the truck lost balance. It swerved hard. Then it flipped over on the road. Crash! The truck rolled and landed on its side. Sparks flew across the highway. Traffic came to a sudden stop. Everything happened in just a few seconds. A deadly crash, caused by one sudden turn in the dark.